Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you guys are having the most wonderful day. Guys, I am going to do a video today all about these Capsule Chix. They're built to be unique. Very, very good. This looks like a little capsule vending machine, like the gashapon or the little capsule machines that you see when you're out shopping. I think it is super cute and adorable. I thought this was like a new thing when I purchased it, but I've been doing a little research and this has been around for a while. But it's new to me. I just love how it looks. I think it's really funky. I love the little capsule or the little capsule machine look of it. So guys, this little item cost me £7 from Home Bargains, which is an excellent price because I've seen these go for a lot more than that when I was doing my research. So bargain price of £7. It does say that you get, I'm not really sure how many capsules are inside, but you do get 15 pieces. So we're going to go ahead without wasting any more time and open it up. Oh my gosh, they've sealed this really, really well. Let's see if we will open it up here. I like this pink color. I know that this comes in different types. I think there are 4 that you can collect in the series, but maybe it will tell us on the back. Yeah, guys, so there's another 4 other different types. This one is the Sweet Circuits collection, but you can also get the Control Alt Magic collection, the Ram Clock collection, and the Giga Glam collection. So guys, the premise of this is that there is a little push out right here. Oh, actually, this just slides right down. Or does this, oh, this pops away. And then you have your little punch through right here where I'm assuming the capsules come out. Guys, it says 5 capsules. So you're getting 5 capsules. I'm finding it really hard to say that. So this pops away. We have a little instruction booklet. Guys, this is for 6 and up. Inside our little booklet, we have all about the Sweet Circuits collection. I will go through each page, and if you guys want to pause and have a quick look through, feel free to do so. I like the fact that you can mix and match these items. So if you buy the set of 4, you can definitely mix and match. So hopefully you guys are seeing this okay. But I like the little, there are other things that you can collect, which is awesome. So if you guys want to pause the video at any point and stop right there, feel free to do so. So guys, to me, it looks like there's no coin slot. You turn, oh, this is difficult. You have to hold it from the top and turn your little wheel around, and a capsule is supposed to come out. It is supposed to, okay. Guess this is not super easy. Let me just pull it back here. So there is a space to capture the capsules, but I think we need to give it a little bit of a helping hand. This is not good for chunky fingers. I have chunky fingers. This is not good. Okay guys, so it dispenses our little capsule. These are super cute. Let's go ahead and see if they're easy to open. Oh my gosh, these are not easy to open. Do they have a tear strip? Okay, find the tear strip. So we have a tear strip. You take off the plastic wrap or seal, pop open. I think these screw. Oh, these are awesome. These screw. So you have a really decent sized capsule. That is capsule number 1. And then inside you get a blind bag. So let's go ahead and open our blind bag and see what's inside. Okay. So inside the blind bag, it's completely empty now. We have a body. These are movable arms. So you can pose them. So the first thing that we have is a body. Let's go ahead and see what's inside capsule number 2. I think once you get the first one out, it becomes, oh my gosh, slightly easier. You don't have to wiggle it as much. So capsule number 2, where is our tear strip? These do have a tear strip. Oh, right here. We'll go ahead and open our capsule number 2. I really like the color of these. These are cute. Okay, what do we get inside our second blind bag? Inside our second blind bag, oh, we have the head. This is adorable. Guys, these are really sturdy. They're plastic, but really, really sturdy. This feels really super heavy. Love the little winky eye. And look at that carnival looked eye. So cute. There is something else inside here. Okay, that's everything inside the blind bag. This to me looks like a stand, just a little almost like plastic acrylic stand. We'll set that to the side. Let's see what else we've got. We may need to give it a little bit of a helping hand. We will pop out our next capsule. Let's look for our tear strip. Pop that right off. These are super, super, super fun. Let's go ahead and see what else we've got inside this little blind bag. It looks like we have a number of items. So let's go ahead and open it. Love the pink, baby pink color. Okay, we have a set of boots. And we have a little candy shaped bag. Cute. We have our cute little boots. Super pretty. These look like wedged sandals. Really cute. I think we've only got 2 more. Let's go ahead and help our little capsule to get in. This is capsule number 4 in this pack. Let's pop this open and go ahead and open our capsule. Set it right here. Ooh, I don't know what's inside this. It's very strange. Our little Capsule Chix bag. What did we get inside? Oh, we got a couple of things. Okay, guys. So we got the legs. And if you guys can't see this, this is almost like a purpley gray color. But we've got a set of legs. And we have a little skirt as our outfit. So let's see if we can, before we go ahead with number 3 or number 5, our last one, let's go ahead and try and pop this all together. We'll pop the skirt on, we'll pop our body on. Oh my gosh, guys, these are super tight. I think I've got it, but that was super tight. I like this little frilly outfit. It's cutesy, very adorable. Don't know, oh, because I didn't turn the feet the right way. Let's pop on the head. Oh my gosh. We've got our little head, super cute. Let's pop on her shoes, make sure we've got them on the right feet. And then we can look and see what we've got in our final capsule. Let's pop on her little bag. Pop your bag right in there. Cute. So cute. Okay, guys. We'll set her down. And then our last capsule. Yep, guys, this is the last capsule in the box. You can see the box is fully empty. Let's go ahead and see what little treat lies inside this little package. So guys, last little package. What have we got? Oh, wow, we've got a number of things. So guys, we have her and her little earmuffs. You've got a connector right here at the back that should fit. Oh, should fit right in here. We're going to have to push that in really hard. Oh, click. Cute. And then we have this little sweepy hair that we'll put right at the front. Push it in real tight. And guys, there's our doll. How cute is our doll? Look at this gorgeous blonde and pink hair, the cutesy little earmuffs, the adorably pretty dress. Look at her candy bag. Look at this little doll. So guys, I believe, I don't know what this is for. It doesn't fit around her here, or her arms, or her legs. So, not really sure what this is actually for. Let's go ahead and maybe refer back to our book and see if we can find anything. But these are super cute. Would I definitely be interested in collecting this series? I think I would, because there's only 4. And they're super cute and adorable. I love the fact that the dresses are interchangeable. I love the fact that you can, guys, so you can actually buy these extra little parts and mix and match, which I think is adorable. Okay, guys, we found out what this is for. You take one of the bottom capsules. If you guys are used to these Capsule Chix, you probably knew way before I did. Do we lock it in? It doesn't lock in. But you put it here, and then we put, yeah, it says it twists. Oh yes, it twists. Clicks into place, so it's super secure. And then it says that we take our doll and do what? Oh, okay, guys. So you can see here that there are 2 little things right here. Or do we put it on her legs? Actually, guys, I think these go on her legs. So let's click her into place. I'm not very good with these little fidgety parts. So we click one in. Do we have the other one in? We do not. We click the second one in, and this becomes her little stand. So not only do you get your little capsule chick, you have fun opening out all these little capsules. I'm trying to make this bag sit a little prettier for this lady, this cute, adorable lady. So not only do you have the fun of taking your capsules out and finding your surprises, you also have this cute little stand. And how pretty would this be to have all 4? I think that would be super cute and super adorable. I'm really interested in this one. This one, I think, is the Click Alt Delete, which I might try and purchase next. But if any of you guys have got a little girl, Christmas isn't too far away, these are an awesome little a little addition to your Christmas present, and only for £7. I think that is cute and adorable. Look at how pretty this cute little girl is. Adorable. Well, guys, did you like this video? I had a lot of fun opening this video. A lot of fun opening this little capsule chick in this video is what I meant to say. Guys, if you liked the video, please smash a thumbs up. If you're not yet a subscriber and would like to join us, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget about the notification bell. That way you'll never miss a video. And guys, I hope you have the most amazing day. Please check out my other videos. And if you guys are interested in any mystery boxes, random mystery boxes, toy mystery boxes, let me know in the comments section, and I will pop links in the description of this video. Guys, if you have any comments, also leave those in the description. I'll come back to you just as soon as I can. Have the most wonderful day. I'm going to catch you next time. Take care, everybody. Please, please, please stay safe. And I will see you all the next time. Bye, guys. Bye, 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 bye.